Hello and welcome to E-News of IPR Department. I'm Manisha presenting you all the news bulletin. Firstly, the headlines. Daily Health Bulletin as on 14th February. Minister for Animal Husbandry inaugurates two important infrastructure of Milk Producer Cooperative Society at Pechrek Hipatal Gram Panchayat Unit. All schools, all classes to reopen today. Now in details. In the Daily Health Bulletin on Sunday, Health Department's State IEC officer Sonam Gyaltsang Bhutia informed that Sikkim recorded only 2 cases of novel coronavirus in the last 24 hours, taking the state's tally of confirmed cases to 6,118. In the meanwhile, 5 more patients recovered and were discharged from isolation facilities on Saturday, taking the total recovered cases of COVID-19 in Sikkim to 5,831. This has further improved Sikkim's recovery rate to 95.30%. The number of the active cases in the state has gone down further to 56. The Minister for Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Services cum area MLA of Gyaltsang-Bermik constituency, Sri Loknath Sarma, inaugurated 2 important infrastructures of Milk Producers Cooperative Society at Pechrek Hipatal Gram Panchayat Unit yesterday. The inaugural program was also attended by the Advisor Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Services Sri Durga Prasad Pradhan, Managing Director Sikkim Milk Union Dr. A.B. Karpi, officials and others. At first, Sri Sarma officially inaugurated a newly constructed Milk Producers Cooperative Society house at Majgaon and handed over a cheque of Rs 2.5 lakhs to the chairman of the society. Thereafter, Sri Sarma inaugurated a newly established MPCS at Upper Pechrek Mane Dara and handed over the cheque of Rs 2.5 lakhs to the concerned chairman of the society. Both the infrastructures were constructed under Gram Panchayat Development Program, and additional fund of Rs 2.5 lakhs were provided by Sikkim Cooperative Milk Producers Union for upgradation of the infrastructures. He also extended financial support of Rs 20,000 to each MPCS for purchasing milk can and other required items at his personal level. Minister in his address highlighted farmer-friendly programs and development works being carried out by the state government under the leadership of the Chief Minister of Sikkim, Sri Prem Singh Tamang. He also informed that the dairy farmers will receive additional selling price of Rs 3 per litre from mid of this month. Later, he also inaugurated a newly constructed EPCS church at Upper Martam, addressing the devotees. Sri Sarma drew lights of human values and positive impacts of good deeds in transforming the society. Afterwards, Sri Sarma graced the valedictory function of state-level music band competition at Gyaltsang as the chief guest. The 3 days long program was organized by a Gyaltsang-based NGO, Gyaltsang West Genix, with the theme of uplifting and triggering music against suicide, drugs and social evils. A circular on Sunday from the Education Department informed that all schools, including government-aided and private schools, will be reopened for the new academic session from today. The reopening of schools is also for classes from LKG to class 5. All schools have been directed to follow the safety guidelines and SOPs issued by the centre and state governments, allowing the attendance of students to be strictly with the consent of the parents, guardians on voluntary basis. Schools at primary level are to operate with 50% capacity or alternatively on odd-even roll number basis, where there are more students and less space. However, classrooms with lesser number of students may operate on full basis if there is sufficient distance as per the COVID-19 safety protocol. Schools are to operate till 2 p.m. on every working day. Holidays for 2nd and 4th Saturdays shall be restored for all levels of schools, students, teaching, non-teaching employees. After the reopening of schools, a time of 2 to 3 weeks shall be utilized for making up the losses in learning outcomes and other academic matters, and also to organize events at schools in order to drive and promote admission, create learning environment lost due to prolonged closure and to assess requirements. This much for today. We'll be back with the more updates. Keep watching E! News.